This is the Volkswagen Jetta 6, and if you need to open the trunk and something is wrong with the lock, you can always open it from the inside. Here is the anti-kidnap system that works in American and Canadian vehicles. In European cars you will have a plastic cover here, and when you take off this plastic cover you will also be able to use such a mechanism to open the trunk lid from inside. The problem is that to get to the trunk from the interior you will need to use these levers that are located in the trunk, and that makes a little problem. So the Volkswagen didn't make anything here to fold these seats. This is a sedan car, and they thought who will ever need to lower the seats, to fold the seats? So they just created a problem and then started solving this problem that they created. And there is a little trick here. As you see, between two headrests you have the cavity, and the purpose of this cavity is to let you open the part of the seat from inside. I will use a seat buckle because my pry tool just doesn't work, doesn't go inside. So you just pull it to the driver's side, to the right side, and it opens. Or alternatively, you may also get access to the trunk from this side, taking out this panel, and then take some long rod stick and just use that lever that I showed you before and open the trunk. So these are the two ways. This one is quite tricky, and it's quite tricky to open with one hand when you're filming, but with two hands it's easier.